Intel reports results today, and back in January it said it could not predict when the semiconductor market would recover. Whether or not it provides an update later, one trend looks certain: production will continue to shift from Europe to Asia, and according to a recent report, Europe's market share dropped from about 23% to 15% over the past decade. Lobbyists say that's because South Korea, Taiwan and others provide more subsidies, and it can be quite a commitment, with fabrication plants costing as much as $10 billion to set up. Well, to talk us through this situation, we can now go out to our bureau in Brussels and speak to Luc van den Hove, who's the Executive Vice President of the Inter-University Microelectronics Centre. Thanks very much for being on the programme, Luc. First of all, tell us why this shift has been ongoing from Europe to Asia.
Well, this industry has always been very cyclic. We've seen many upturns and downturns, and during the last downturn, this coincided very much with the severe economic crisis that we're experiencing now, and this has kind of amplified the situation very much. In essence, the industry is a strong and healthy industry, but is in a very difficult situation now. And therefore, we've seen that the industry or the manufacturing actually shifts to region where there is indeed significant support from the government. Those governments have indicated that, or have identified this industry as key strategic, key enabling for other industries, and therefore are putting a lot of money or funding into this industry.
How critical is it to Europe, though, and should perhaps European governments been more supportive?
Well, we certainly believe that this semiconductor technology is extremely critical. It forms like the driver for innovation in many key industries, which are also very crucial for Europe. Industries like telecommunication, automotive, aerospace, security industry, medical industry, all depend very much on the innovation from semiconductor technology. And therefore, organizations such as SEMI-Europe, representing the semiconductor manufacturers in Europe, actually is pushing very hard to get the message across that keeping a strong semiconductor ecosystem in Europe is absolutely vital to make sure that the overall industry in Europe stays competitive.
Very briefly, how concerned about the industry globally?
Well, I think globally this is a healthy industry, and is an industry that is fueling a lot of the other industries. So driving innovation in this area is crucial. And of course, this starts all with the R&D, research driving the innovation. And on that side, we are pretty strong in Europe with having a very strong research base. IMEC is one of the world's largest research organizations in this field. But we also have to set up the full ecosystem, including also manufacturing. Another strength we have in Europe is a strong equipment supplier industry for semiconductors, such as ASML, which is the world leader. So it's crucial that we keep those strengths and that we make sure that we have the full ecosystem, including also manufacturing.
Thank you very much indeed for being on the programme. We do appreciate it. And that